Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'm super excited because it's the first of the month and I love sharing our new subscription products with you. So let's jump in and take a look at the December 2023 subscription products. Let's start out by taking a look at our Stamp and Die of the month. This month it's called Owl My Love. And I've got these adorable owls and some cute sentiments to go along with them. I'll always be here for you. Love you with all my heart. Guess who's thinking of you? Sending all my love. Thanks for all you do. With a clever use of the word owl in there. Super cute. And you can see here I've colored them in different brown tones. But I wanted to do something a little different to show you how you can really mix things up. And I made little Valentine owls and I colored them in different shades of pinks. I thought they turned out really cute that way also. So if you subscribe to the Stamp of the Month, you're going to get this 4x6 stamp set sent to you. We do free shipping within the US for the Stamp of the Month. And the stamp is only $12. This is a $16 stamp set when it goes on sale with our regular release. But you can get it for $12 with the Stamp of the Month. Or if you spend $24 for the Stamp and Die of the Month, you get the coordinating die as well. And we also ship the Stamp and Die of the Month for free within the US. So that's $24 for a 4x6 stamp set and coordinating die. It's a super great deal. And I always say, who doesn't like to get a little happy mail each and every month? So next, let's talk about our monthly subscription kit, our Crafty Courtyard kit. As always, you're going to get your zippered mesh bag. It's great for storage, also crafting on the go. Let's take a look at this awesome cardstock that you get in the kit. The December kit is themed bookworm. Oh, doesn't that sound fun? You're going to get this flyer that tells you everything that's in the kit, as well as the color palette. And on the other side of the flyer, I've given you some card sketches just to jumpstart that creativity when you open your kit and you want to create. The color cardstock are wildflowers, on the green, middle school, barbershop, coffee shop, and brownstone. And then you get 2 ice rink white cardstock sheets. You're going to get an exclusive pack of sequins. These are like holographic gold, really shiny and pretty. And they're the confetti sequins with no holes. You can have lots of fun creating with those. You're also going to get a package of our gold glossy dots. These look great as an accent on your cards. You get a full 6x6 paper pad. This one is called Bookworm. This is an awesome just basics paper pad. We've got lots of great patterns. This paper pad is a great one for your masculine cards. The colors this month can easily be used for more masculine designs. We'll just take a look at the patterns. We've got this bold plaid, some orange dots and a chevron, blue dots, another plaid. We've got multicolored dots, some green polka dots, tone on tone. And these colors match our cardstock beautifully. So when you open the kit, you're going to have no problem making anything coordinate and match because it all goes together really well. Stripes and brown dots. I love that orange with the plaid there. Some stripes. There's another really green and blue plaid. We've got some diagonal stripes. I'm not sure what you call this pattern over here. It's kind of like a herringbone look, but that's really fun too. And we have that in all the different colors in here. There's another fun plaid. Some hexagons. And then I believe we're back to the beginning with that bold plaid. So you get 24 sheets and there's 24 different designs. And here is the stamp set this month. Let me zoom that in a little bit. Try to get the glare just right. This is the Bookworm stamp set. So as you can see, we've got our lady up top and she's engrossed in her book. We have a couple of scenes with books and plants, a kitty cat, a little shelf. You stamp the little hot air balloons on top of this open book and it looks like they're coming out of the book. Same thing with the butterflies or the flowers. And this one is just like icons of mystical and magical things that could all be coming from the book. And then the sentiments are, ours is my favorite story. Just a note to say hello. Sorry, I'm booked for the weekend. Here's hoping your next chapter is the best one. Your next chapter will be a great adventure. Reading is dreaming with your eyes open. And just one more chapter. So really fun sentiments and images this month. I really like this collection of stamps. You also get the coordinating dies in the kit so that you're able to die cut all of those stamped images. We're still not done. You get one of our large stencils. Our stencils measure 8.5 inches tall by 6.25 wide so that you can do your slimline cards, your 5x7 cards, and everything in between. They also come with 2 holes on the sides so that they can fit in our storage binders if you'd like to keep them that way. Last but certainly not least, we have a bit of a bonus in this month's kit. We are giving you a 3D embossing folder. This one is called Rattan. It might be hard to see the pattern of it, but it's a nice rattan pattern. I embossed a sheet of our orange cardstock so you can see the pattern embossed. It just gives a really nice background for just about any of your stamped images. That rattan pattern is very popular right now, and this will give you a nice 3D embossed look to the backgrounds of your cards. We're not done yet. We have one more subscription to talk about, and this is our foil subscription for December. You're going to get a full roll of our Circles Gold foil. Yours will come in one of the nice storage boxes that we package them in. The rolls are 25 feet in length, so you never have to worry about messing something up or running out of foil. You're going to have plenty of foil to last you a good long time. And it's 6.25 inches wide. Let's zoom in and take a closer look. It's a beautiful gold that almost has like these sequins all over it. It's like a sequin pattern. So it's different than anything else we have. And we'll release this for regular sale later in the month, but right now you can only get it as part of the foil subscription. So that is our Circles Gold. And that will coordinate really well with our Crafty Courtyard kit, won't it? With the gold embellishments that are in that. So the foil subscription this month also has a bit of a bonus in that we're giving you 2 large packs of foilables. Instead of 1 large and 1 card size panel, we're giving you 2 large 8.5 by 5.5 packages of foilables this month. I just had such fun designing this and thought we would just give you a little bonus this month. So the first one I'm going to show you is called Fun Backgrounds, Foilable Sheets. And we've got 1 sheet each of 8 different backgrounds. So we have this diagonal with the dots. We have a chevron. We have this fun little, I don't know what you call this, just little half circles. Here's another one of the backgrounds. We've got some diamonds. There's a diagonal stripe with different thicknesses of stripes. It's a polka dotted background with different size of dots. And then we've got these fun wavy lines. So that is the Fun Backgrounds foilable sheets. Along with that, you're going to get the Mini Thanks foilable sheets. So you get 4 different sheets of thank you sentiments, and you get 2 of each for a total of 8 sheets. Now, I often think of December as, of course, we have Christmas in December, but we've already prepared for that, right? Yeah, most of us have prepared, right? I'm a little behind with my Christmas cards, but I don't tell anyone, okay? But I also think of December as a time of needing thank you cards. Whenever you go to parties or different events, it's nice to have a little thank you card or thank you tag for the hostess. I always was taught growing up to send a thank you card for gifts I receive, so I always like to have thank you cards on hand when I need them. So this is a fun sheet here. All of these thank you and thanks, thank you so much sentiments can be cut with circle dies, either our stitch circle dies or our layered circle dies. And then you have a strip at the bottom that you can cut with your paper trimmer. And we have, I can't say it enough, you are so thoughtful, and thank you. So you get 2 of these. Here's another sheet with the different thank yous. Again, you can cut them with the circle dies, or you could cut them with square dies as well. The strip at the bottom has some more sentiments that you can cut with your paper trimmer. I appreciate you. Thanks for your kindness, and so grateful. Here's a sheet with a bunch of thank yous. You can cut these out with your paper trimmer, with your square or rectangle dies. Lots of options to cut these out when you foil them. You get 2 each of these as well. And again, just more mini thanks and thank you so that you can create thank you cards for the holiday season, but also to last you year round. It's always nice to have thank you cards on hand. So thank you again so much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at our December 2023 new subscription products. If you're not a subscriber yet, what are you waiting for? It's a perfect month to subscribe. You can find these and more at pinkandmain.com. As always, until next time, keep living the creative life.